citizens, and this is a fact that we have seen in many countries. But fellow Kenyans, it is not just our corporate citizens. It is also us in the political class, and how we manipulate this so-called hunger crisis every election in an attempt to gain political mileage. We in the political class, it is so unfortunate but shocking that we have the audacity to politicize the misery of the most vulnerable in our society. But let me say, it is even more distasteful for us to seek political gain and make political capital out of the suffering of the vulnerable without even attempting to offer solutions. So if it is not a coincidence that every election attracts higher prices of hunger, then we must also ask the question of coincidence. And I say so because if one of them acts unethically by hoarding products and the other benefits by politicizing this irresponsibility, but in the meantime, who is suffering from this mischief? If the politician gets his votes out of this mischief, if the miller makes their profit, what does the mwananchi, who is the most important player in all of this, get? And in the end, who is forced to carry the burden of this mischief? It is none other than the ordinary citizen.